Bonjour everyone, Mrs. Kingbird Indigenous and my friend
Waawashkeshi Victoria is my name.
We're going to be sharing a story with you today and I hope that you enjoy it. The name of our story is How Zhaawan, the South Wind, Helps the Anishinaabeg.
Teachers, the material you will need for these activities after the video are colored pens or paper, crayons, something that they can color a picture.
So I'm going to say some words that we have in our story and you can repeat them after me. Our first word is Zhaawan.
Zhaawan.
That means the south wind. Zhaawanang.
Zhaawanang.
In the south. Giwaden.
Giwaden.
North wind. Giwadenang.
Giwadenang.
In the north. Zhaawan.
Zhaawan.
Spring. Neben.
Neben.
Summer. Dugwagen
Dugwagen.
means fall. And Biboon.
Biboon.
What we have now? Winter. Here we go, boys and girls. How Zhaawan, the south wind, helps the Anishinaabe. Zhaawan is a very strong spirit who lives in the warm southland called Zhaawanang, home of the beautiful sunflower.
When Zhaawan visits Giwadenung, the Northland, the tree grows buds, the grass changes color from yellow to green, the little flowers peep from their hiding places. When Zhaawan, spring arrives, what do you think happens? What?
Ooh.
The
Wow.
short days become longer and the sun shines brightly.
In Zhaawan, the Anishinaabe plant corn and potatoes in their gardens that are by the lake.
Sounds good to me. The Anishinaabe gather birch bark to make baskets and birch bark canoes. The Anishinaabe store their dried food in the baskets they made.
When Zhaawan breathed upon the earth, what do you think happened when Zhaawan breathed upon the earth?
Oh gosh, I think the grass grew green and tall and the little flowers bloomed, all colors, red, yellow, blue, and white. The trees grew branches full of leaves. The days became longer. Then Neben, summer arrives.
That sounds beautiful.
It must just be so beautiful to think about.
In Neben, the Anishinaabe netted fish, picked certain berries, which they dried and packed in their baskets and stored in pits so that they could eat it in Biboon, the winter time.
Zhaawan continued her long visit. Her breath now made the squash grow big and round. The grapes in the trees along the shore turn blue and sweet. The leaves in the grasses turned brown.
In Dagwagan, the fall, the days became shorter. The Anishinaabe gathered corn and harvested the wild rice.
This is the time when the Anishinaabeg worked fast. The Anishinaabe would say, Niben is leaving us when the leaves fall down. Then Zhaawan returned to the south.
After Zhaawan leaves, Giwaden, the north, came from the north with its fierce cold breath, bringing the snow and the cold with him. Brrr. Then winter is here. The Anishinaabe told legends and stories in the evenings in their wigwams. Baboon is the only time legends can be told.
So we have some questions. First, basic. Who is Zhaawan and where does she come from?
And the second question is, what did we store in the baskets for winter?
Where did, number 3, where did Zhaawan go when Baboon came?
Yeah, so you can think of these questions for a little bit, and then we'll move on to your activity. We would like you
To draw a picture of how Zhaawan or Giwaden would look like. Just imagine it and try yourself a little picture of this story. Miigwech.
Miigwech, Gigawabamin Minawa.